Hey everyone, welcome back to GearStorm, the channel where we dive into the most daring and exciting vehicles hitting the automotive world. Today we're looking at something nobody thought would ever happen, the 2026 Corvette Pickup Truck. That's right, Chevrolet has taken the legendary Corvette name and pushed it into a completely new segment, combining the performance DNA of America's favorite sports car with the utility of a pickup. It's bold, it's controversial, and it might just change the way we think about high-performance trucks. From the front, the Corvette Pickup instantly makes its presence known. It borrows heavily from the C8 design language with a low, wide nose and sharp aerodynamic lines. The headlights are slim LED units with a futuristic signature that stretches back into the fenders, while massive air intakes dominate the lower bumper to feed air into the high-performance powertrain. The hood has deep sculpted vents that hint at the beast underneath, and the whole stance screams aggression while still carrying that recognizable Corvette identity. Moving to the side, this is where the transformation truly shows. The Corvette Pickup blends the proportions of a supercar with the practicality of a truck. The cab is sleek and coupe-like, flowing into a short but wide bed that's designed for both utility and aerodynamics. Bold character lines sweep across the doors, and the rear haunches are wide and muscular, paying homage to Corvette heritage. It rides on massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber, and the ground clearance is low compared to traditional pickups, reinforcing its sporty intentions. Inside, Chevrolet has spared no expense in making sure this feels like a true Corvette at heart. The cabin is driver-focused, with a wraparound cockpit design, premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims. The seats are heavily bolstered sport buckets, perfect for spirited driving but still comfortable for daily use. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and the central infotainment system features Chevy's latest software with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance telemetry built in. Even though it's a pickup, it's still a luxury performance machine first and foremost. At the back, the Corvette Pickup continues to impress. The bed is compact but versatile, featuring power outlets and tie-downs for practicality, while the tailgate wears bold Corvette badging. Slim LED taillights stretch across the rear, and a diffuser sits low with quad exhaust tips roaring out the back. It's unmistakably Corvette, just in an unexpected form. Under the hood lies serious muscle. The 2026 Corvette Pickup is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 pushing out around 650 horsepower, paired with an advanced dual-clutch transmission and available all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 comes in under 3.5 seconds, making it the fastest pickup in its class by far. Adaptive suspension, performance brakes, and active aerodynamics ensure it handles like no other truck before it. Pricing for the 2026 Corvette Pickup is expected to start around $90,000, climbing past $120,000 for top trims. It's a bold move by Chevrolet, but one that could carve out a new niche for performance pickups. That's the 2026 Corvette Pickup Truck, a wild fusion of speed, style, and practicality. Do you think this is a genius idea, or should Corvette have stayed a sports car only? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, and subscribe to GearStorm for more reviews of the boldest rides on the road.